Welcome to our video demonstration of the School Asset Inventory System, built in PHP and MySQL. Today, we're excited to walk you through a powerful, efficient system designed specifically for schools to manage their assets with ease. With this system, schools can seamlessly track, assign, transfer, and manage assets while maintaining accurate records of each item. You'll see how intuitive features like asset assignment, transfer modules, and real-time tracking come together to boost accountability and streamline operations. So, get ready to dive in and discover how this school asset inventory system can transform asset management for educational institutions. Let's get started. The school asset inventory system provides a powerful, streamlined approach to managing assets in educational institutions. Key features include role-based access, allowing admins full control over asset management while staff have limited access to view and request items. Users can add, edit, delete, and categorize assets, assign them to specific locations, and track inventory levels and conditions in real time. The system logs asset transfers, repairs, maintenance, and even disposal, keeping a comprehensive history for accountability. With built-in reporting and analytics, users can generate and export reports on inventory and asset conditions. Notifications alert users to low stock and upcoming maintenance, while search and filter functions make it easy to locate specific assets quickly. This system is a complete solution for efficient asset tracking and accountability in schools. Watch the demonstration video to see how the school asset inventory system can transform asset management for your institution. The School Asset Inventory System is a robust solution that streamlines asset management, enhancing accountability and operational efficiency in educational institutions. With comprehensive features like role-based access, real-time inventory tracking, and detailed reporting, it simplifies the management of assets across various departments and locations. The system's tracking of asset assignments, transfers, repairs, and disposal provides a clear audit trail, supporting effective decision-making and transparency. Users benefit from timely notifications for low stock and maintenance needs, ensuring assets are well maintained and available when needed. This system ultimately reduces asset-related issues, promotes organized resource allocation, and maximizes the value of school assets. Thank you for watching our demonstration of the School Asset Inventory System. We hope it gave you valuable insights into how this tool can simplify and enhance asset management within your institution. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates and tutorials. Don't hesitate to leave a comment with any questions or feedback, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.